Today I'm going to tell you about a machine that is available from stock at DTS UK. Now this is a Coria Experta 20 milling machine. These machines are very popular amongst companies that need or demand flexibility within their machine shop and have maybe the requirements to have a much bigger working envelope. Now we're going to put over the screen now some of the specifications of this machine. You'll see here we've got a 2 meter X-axis, a 1 meter Y-axis and also a meter in the Z. This enables companies that are going to be using machines like this to not only handle heavier and larger components, but also to be able to get more versatility in their machining by maybe having 2 different components or 2 different jobs on the table. Now this particular machine is a very cost-effective model. In fact, the Experta has been selling around the world for many years and does fit into traditional machine shops. Interestingly, the head on this particular model we're talking about is quite a basic head. It's a manual positioning head, but this brings the cost right down of these machines, but also means that you've got maximum flexibility to not only be able to machine the top faces, but also do those angled features as well. Now the particular model that we're talking about in stock is available on a very short lead time. And as standard, this machine comes with either a Heidenhain or a Siemens control. You can have either or control with this machine. There are models available that have either of those. It comes with things like the portable hand wheel. The machine is fully air conditioned, so you're not going to experience the growth that you may on other machines. It also has the linear guides as the driving motion in the X, Y and Z, and also linear scales across all axes in order to maintain accuracy from one side of that big table to the other. The Experta offers high precision thanks to the mechanical ram droop correction system. Now it's a very sturdy machine as well, thanks to the structural elements with large sections together with an L-shaped ram guide system. Now a flexible machine suiting machining of both finishing and roughing operations. So generally the machine I'm talking about here, the Coria Experta 20, available from DTS in the UK, is aimed at manufacturers that need a bigger working envelope but don't necessarily need an automated head, but do still want to get the benefit of being able to position that head manually. This machine is available from stock at a very competitive price. Contact DTS here in the UK. We'll put the details on the screen now, but be quick. I can't imagine that a machine of this flexibility and size will be around for too long.